Hello guys, welcome back again. This is another short video I would love to share with you guys. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to place or put textures into text. So first, you have to get your text or your work ready. You come to File and then you go to Place Embedded. So you quickly find wherever your texture is located. So with mine, I normally have my textures somewhere around this place. So I'm going to find my texture and then we will place it on our text. So it could be a texture, it could be an image, it could be anything that is very nice and easy to use for your work. So with this one, I'm going in for this one. Okay, let's go for this test, an African print test, which I'm very sure is going to be very nice. Good. So now that we have our image here, you can easily rotate it or flip horizontal. You can rotate to 180 degrees or any format you want it. So we are going to rotate it horizontal, or yes, this one is okay. You can also transform it yourself in case you want to do everything yourself. That's how it's done. You press the sign here to accept, and then now you come to here and then you select create clipping mask. So now that you have create clipping mask, you ensure you zoom in, you press shift and alt in case you are using Mac or Windows. You push it to fit very well into the text, and then now you are good to go. So you do the same thing for the second one over here. You duplicate the layer, you bring it here, you come to this three dots here and then create clipping mask. Good. So now you have your texture placed inside your two text, which is the texture and then the on text. For you to get more aesthetics, you can copy the layer style here, copy the layer style, and then you paste it. Alright, so you paste your layer style in this one and then you are good to go. So this is basically how to place a text or textures on text in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks so much for watching.